Now, this clip is not going to make the appliance manufacturers too happy, but it may save you buying a new refrigerator. Those are the heat transfer coils on the bottom of the refrigerator. And in order for that refrigerator to work properly, those coils have to be clean. And every couple years at least, you have to clean them off. Because if you don't, it's like putting a sweater on those coils. And they cannot lose the heat which makes the refrigerator work properly. So I'm going to clean that off. And there's another consideration if you have a mold and mildew problem in your house. You may clean everything else up, but you don't clean the refrigerator coil up. And what happens is when you get everything working again, you find out you may still have a mold and mildew problem. Let me see if I can come in. Yeah. So that's just a mess. And in just a second you'll see the difference. And sometimes you'll see cats or dogs sleeping right at the base of the refrigerator. That's because of that warm air coming off of there. So now that's much better. Still got a little work to do in there, but that's much improved. And if you have a situation where you have a persistent allergy or mold and mildew reaction, something like that, it may be that everything else in the house has been cleaned, and now when that refrigerator runs, and that runs virtually all the time, you're just spreading everything all around the house again. So make sure you keep that clean. You will definitely lengthen the life of that refrigerator. No question about it.